Pool table, the perfect solution for after-school family fun. You're not alone if you're struggling to think of something to entertain the kids that's safe, easy, and convenient. Luckily, a pool table at home is just the thing. Here are a few reasons why an at-home pool table is the perfect solution for after-school family fun. Know where they are and what they're doing. Even with cell phones, parents worry that the kids will get into something they shouldn't. A pool table is an immediate draw for kids of all ages, and when a family has one, it's generally where all of the neighborhood kids like to go. Keep them busy for hours without the TV. When the weather turns cold, it can be tough to keep them away from the television and video games. Pool is the perfect game to get them off the couch and motivated to play with friends. Quality time with the family. A pool table at home provides opportunities for family fun right from the comforts of home. It's hassle-free, convenient, and enjoyable for all ages. The perfect activity that mom, dad, and the kids can engage in. So go ahead, start creating more family fun time. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, a pool table is an easy after-school solution and a constructive way to spend quality time with friends and family. To learn more about the benefits of owning a pool table and why it is a smart, practical investment that's sure to bring out the smiles in everyone, just give us a call or visit our website at www.homeleisure.com.